story of love for a few years now, and to see it put into action and lived is absolutely amazing. It's a great show.
We've brought our students from Townbridge House School to come and see it, so 16-year-olds, and it's really great to bring them to a show that has explored such a deep issue in such an exciting way.
It's so moving, incredible. And you go on such a journey with it. Just go for the journey.
I'm really shaken. It's got me. It's got me.
The monster was, terrifying but kind and loving and also caring.
I've just seen they have the opportunity to leave a message after the show in the foyer, and just seeing people really engage in that way and finding that there's a way to leave a message afterwards and the story will continue. Yeah, it's very inspiring stuff.
I love the ropes and how they changed into the tree.
Interactions between characters, the family dynamics, the relationships feel so real. And I think you have to see it to believe it.
It was just incredibly moving, and I'm still absolutely overcome because it was beautiful.
I defy anyone to not come and not have a tear in their eye.
If you really want to go to the theatre to feel something like you've never felt in theatre before, come and see this show.